Hi guys, welcome to Pass One Coaching Center, and I want to share one thing with you that why do I love the profession of teaching? Teaching is a profession when you start teaching, and any kind of particular profession you could take, whether it is doctor and any kinds of things that comes under the profession. So when you start doing that particular thing, so at the time you learn a lot of many things which is important for you, like each and every day whenever I teach students, so new kinds of things I learn while teaching them. I know new kinds of things, that how should I try to do good with them, how should I try to utilize many kinds of things which would be important for them, and whether they are capable to learn through the medium which I am using right now. So all these things happens when you start teaching them, when you start doing your profession, any kind of particular thing. So at the time you learn a lot of things, and I could say that a lot of deep knowledge is available in each and every subject, whether it is English, whether it is math, whether it is science, whether it is science. Even you could give your whole life, but the knowledge of that particular subject is not going to end. So many person are here who start saying that they are very great in this subject, they are very great in that subject. I want to share with you that after giving a lot of times, like age maybe after 20, 30, 40 years, if you start giving, so after that you would be able to know that whether I have got a lot of knowledge of that subject or not. Like in my case, I am an English teacher. I have learned English since 2020. But whenever I teach, so at the time I learn a lot of new things in the English. So I could say that learning process is a thing which goes through your life, throughout your life, through your death. So it is not like that within short span of time you are able to gain all the knowledge of that subject. You will have to keep working and you will have to keep following, and surely you will gain a lot of things in your life, and you will learn a lot of things. And while teaching and while doing your profession, you will also learn new kinds of things which is important for you. So these kinds of things I learn each and every day. And but one thing is also true, learning is important but earning is also important. I want to share with you that if you are learning a lot of things but you are not earning any kinds of things, so with that you can't get something in your life, you can't survive. Since surviving is important for you, and for surviving you will have to earn, it's also important. So I think that if you are learning and you are not earning, so you are not going to be something here as well. So start following, through that you could learn and earn. So thank you guys, this thought came in my mind, and thank you so much. I thought that I should try to share with the person. Thank you.